fuck coming? Who the fuck is Dave Williams? Young man. Old man, excuse me, I am a female. And who the fuck is you? Don't get me fucking started. I'm so innocent, but when my mouth start to fuck to go, who is you? How much for the fridge? Who the fuck is these people? Ain't no fridge in here. Where is these views coming from? Aw. Where the fuck is all these views coming from? I don't know. Man, somebody just hacked my shit. But who's smoking with me? Shit. What's up, y'all? I don't even know where the fuck these people come from. And they talking about a fucking fridge. I don't have no fridge. I'm not even in the house. Oh, it ain't a wig, it's crochet. I can't take it off, sorry. Thank you. I don't have no fucking fridge. Y'all, what's up? Shit, I don't even know where the fuck all these people coming from. I think because my shit public. Yo, y'all making my morning. Y'all making my afternoon. This shit is funny. What fucking fridge? You stop playing. How about you find me the fridge? Where the fucking fridge at?